What's up, guys? This is Preston from Exotic Car Blacklist, here to bring you another amazing video. And today we have a special treat for you because all we do is exclusive content on this page. But we have a 720S here with us today. So 720 is going to be the horsepower with the car, but if you want to be exact, it's 710 to the wheels. 568 pound-feet of torque to this car right here. So let's take a quick walk around and we're gonna hop in for a ride. So we have a 2020 Mclaren 720S. This is the performance coupe. It's actually a convertible because the top does pop off on this particular model here. The starting price on the performance coupes are right at $313,000. 2 seats, rear wheel drive, twin turbo V8, 4 liters. Now, EPA rated fuel economy on this is going to be 18 on the highway, 15 in the city, and 22 combined. This does have a 19-gallon fuel tank on it. It sports 4.2 inches of ground clearance off the ground, as you can see here, with a wheelbase 105 inches from front to back. Fronts are going to be 245, 35, 19s, and they're running an offset with the rear being 305s, 30, 20s. So you do have an offset tire here. They added a little bit more meat to the back, obviously, so the car can hook up and be able to take off. Then you got a curb weight of 3,100 pounds. So this car is super duper light. So the cool thing about this car is with the performance package compared to the rest of them, this is a $37,000 package that gives you carbon fiber options. The seats are Alcantara / Napa leather wrap. You do have a huge front space on this car, and you have collision alerts all around this car. Now, one thing I can say is I could not figure out how to cut my collision alerts off. All right, so walking around, you can see carbon on the mirrors. You can see carbon on the front of the car as well. And this is actually factory installed, so a factory option is the word I'm looking for. Rear exit exhaust on it. Active aero wing. Engine is in the rear on this car. You got your vents right here on the back of it to let the heat out to disperse. I'm ready to see this active wing work because there's a button in there that makes that work. As you see all the lines up the car here, all this is active aero. These are vents to help with the actual heat dispersion as well. That's running up the side of the car. And then you can just see the detail that's been put into it from all the way around. This top does pop up off of it. You can make this a Spyder. And we're gonna look now. We look down, you see we still have active arrows here. You still got more carbon fiber wrapped around the car. This car is super light. How much does this car weigh, Austin? All right, so we're gonna keep walking around and see doing that. You see your front collision detections on the front, and you see your carbon fiber on the back. He's talking to us, so we're gonna turn around and see what he just said, but carbon fiber here as well. And what did you just say? How much you weigh?
3,200.
3,200 pounds. That's lighter than a Hellcat. It's lighter than a Mustang. Did you know it has a 0 to 60 2.9 seconds?
Yep.
Did you know that the Demon has the fastest 0 to 60?
I'd imagine
2.3. I know you guys are tired of hearing me talk. I know you're tired of seeing my beautiful face. So let's just hop up in the beautiful car and let's get you some cinematic video and let's make this absolutely an amazing experience. And I'll see you guys at the drone footage. Actually, I'm gonna see you guys inside before we do the drone footage. So doors go up. Y'all know what that means. Every time the doors go up, something come down, but I cannot say that in this video. So let me show y'all this interior here. Such beautiful interior with a yellow and black accent. 720S. Back inside the car right now, so we are in our 720 and we are about to see how it feels to drive this thing on the highway.
Very close together right now.
Right, we are touching. Literally, our elbows are touching.
I'm questioning.
I'm 6'5", you are about 6'4". You got to be about 6'4".
6'2", but let's forget about 6 feet. Talk about the 2 inches.
Yep. So we're gonna give him his 2 inches. He's 6'2", and y'all know I'm about 230. He's somewhere around close to that weight right there. We are now trying to merge onto the highway, but one thing I can tell you guys from driving this thing is it has a heck of a kick to it. And let's start with the obvious, right? Let's talk about space. So space, as I just told you, is not that much space if you're looking for space. It is
An S2000 or a Miata is like an Escalade.
Yeah, it's still more room than that Evo that I drove though.
Yeah,
that Evo just, did not do it for me. This car, my knees do not touch the steering wheel.
It's not uncomfortable at all.
It's not uncomfortable. No, it's not uncomfortable. It's just
you better be good buddies with the guy you're riding with.
Yeah, pretty much, because you're gonna get very comfortable beside each other. We do got a cup holder.
We do one cup holder
down here. We had one in the Lambo, which is new. One in the Evo. Trying to make sure it's actual cup holder.
Test it out.
All right. Actual cup holder. We just put a drink in there.
Indeed, a cup holder.
Yep. It's a little bit of turbo lag, but it makes up for it. Once it hit that power band, this is it's literally a rocket. So performance-wise, comparing this to everything else I've driven, I would love to see this up against that 800 plus horsepower Hellcat. I would love to see that race. That would be a really good race.
It would, and the thing about these cars, like that Hellcat's going to put that power down the straight line. You get something like this, it puts that power down everywhere you go, curves.
Yep, and I actually think this will take the Hellcat on that straight line. I'm not going to lie to you. You see my man over there pointing at us?
It's got enough technology in it to properly put it down.
It does.
And one thing I will say, the MP412-C, the older McLaren, one big problem with it I noticed when I drove one was the air conditioning. It was like a mouse coughing on you. It was just kind of like it's a little mouse fart. I think he wants to pull.
What? And now that I have the ability to drive these cars, I appreciate them every single time I get in. And having people pull up like the guy that was just beside me yelling "yes sir" is the best feeling in the world, because this is a dream come true for me. So being able to sit in and review it and bring you guys a review, it means the world. So,
and a lot of things people see in these cars that makes their day.
Yep.
They enjoy the engineering, they enjoy the curves. It's kind of like going to the strip club.
Yep. Well, the strip club.
See the curves, see the... It's got the curves, it's got the exotic appeal.
It does.
It's British, not Italian.
It's aerodynamics all up and down the side of the car, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. This car is aeroed to death.
Side scoops the size of an F-18.
Yep. It doesn't ride bad. Going down the highway.
It does feel like you're in a regular car until you get on it, and I kind of want to lose my lunch on the side of the road because it pulls so hard. So I mean, it is fun. I got to spend 4 hours with one of these at Virginia International, and I was telling him by the 6th curve, you know, I'm puking my guts out.
You know what we should do? Let's do a pull.
Let's do it.
Woo! You know what that pull just showed me? That we got a lot of untapped potential in this car.
Yeah.
Because that was 3rd gear, and I was definitely out of the power band when I hit the gas. But when it picked up, we were in the power band.
Yeah, you're not gonna miss that boost. It's gonna, you're gonna know about it.
It's gonna kick, and it's gonna kick you in the seat. It's gonna kick you in that.
Journey to the top, climbing pinnacles, never drop on this daily grind, never ever will I stop. So I'm copping all the knowledge to take the one and only spot. Time to sell an album, ain't thinking about a flop. So these niggas wanna catch a spell, hoping that I fail. Bitches can't see, they touching on your boy like they reading braille.
So this thing is taking these curves, bro. You noticing that? Like, it's sticking to the road. There is no body roll in this McLaren.
Nah.
That's one thing I like about this. It's like smacking, since we gonna say stripper, smacking a stripper on the back and... Okay, let's not use that example because there's some body roll in that. So it's like smacking a block, just taking a brick and just smacking it. That's what it feels like. There's no body roll to it, like, period. And I love it. Like, driving this car. Could you daily drive this?
Yeah.
I think I could too.
It's not berserk like an Aventador is. I mean, although I could daily drive an Aventador, I feel like.
Yep.
It's comfortable, and I'm still obsessed with his air conditioning, man. It's so nice. It's so nice.
It is nice. Everything about it, to this suede material that they have on the dash, to the yellow accents that they have you guys can see in the seats there. Like, this car is like literally done from head to toe to be a $300,000 car. and it feels like it. I mean, it honestly feels like it. It's well made, it's very fast, and it handles like a beast. So,
and you've got enough, you know, suede carbon fiber to, you know, wrap the Sistine Chapel in.
I wonder how many cows it took to make this. Probably a calf with his little suede. I don't know. There's a lot of suede in here. Let me not say that.
Hey, man,
but the seats are made of leather too, right? That's a cow, right?
This is indeed a cow.
All right. So maybe they used 3 cows to make this.
Starts mooing, I'm gonna freak the hell out.
Right. What if you did touching him?
I mean, the leather feels so fresh. Like you almost eat it. Throw it on a grill and eat it, man. Some fresh leather.
I think me and Austin on 2 different wavelengths when it comes to this car. That don't mean you can eat it.
Clean, fresh. All the Subarus. Give them one back. Give them one back.
Should I?
Yeah.
Alright. Again, as you guys know, everybody loves these cars. We do too. So, when I get the opportunity to share these cars with people, man, I freaking love reactions like that.
All those peasants in their front engine cars.
He just called that man a peasant. Oh my God. Bro, somebody come and get this guy.
Look at that peasant in his Supra.
Oh my God. Bro, get into a McLaren and forgets everything.
Hot shit in his Supra. That's right.
Oh my God. This dude right here. Wow.
My face is melted off.
Wow.
We're in the year 2025 now. What happened?
Holy shit. My stomach dropped when I did that.
What it feels like is...
it feels like Carowinds or an amusement park, guys. Holy crap.
You familiar with Daytona Beach?
And honestly,
the Daytona Beach slingshot.
It's a vision. And that's the thing. Get everybody seeing that same vision. And if you do, that's rough. That's rough beating men who see something.
Coming with that heat, and I haven't reached my peak. I'm winning with my team, and we all about this clean. Take this music shit away, never. We hungry like some fiends, stepping in our way. We definitely crack your spleen like I'm stomping on this beat. Short-handed niggas don't have the reach on they tippy toes like a kid trying to join the team. Ain't no fucking fee, can't pay your way through the game. You already in defeat. I'm climbing up the stairs and people taking seats, acting like they want some. I see they every tweet. Comfortable as hell, thinking records gonna sell. Step up to the rookie of the year, I'ma get your shit derailed. Going ham, breaking bread with the niggas in the bed. Get your niggas snipping fucking weed.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this footage. I dropped a lot of footage there, of course, because the video just doesn't do the car justice. So I was hoping that those cinematics did it justice. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. We are absolutely blessed to be able to take cars like this out. And thank you to Molinero Motor Cars for allowing this to happen. My guy Brandon, my man Todd, thank you guys so much. And you guys will see a lot more coming forth from me soon, from Molinero. We're gonna definitely start doing more work with them. So I would suggest you guys to subscribe to this page, because if you care about exotic cars, if you want to see exclusive content, all I can keep telling you guys is watch the page. Click the subscribe button now, click subscribe, and turn on those notifications, because I need you guys to watch the video. It doesn't make a difference if you subscribe and never watch a video. I need you guys to comment. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what kind of material you guys want, and I can bring anything you want to you. So your boy about to be out because I need to get gas, and this car keep auto braking because we're going down this hill. So you got anything to say before we wrap this video up, my guy?
That was cool.
That was cool, man.
That was cool.
Have you ever rode in a 720? You said you have, right?
Yeah. Track one.
Yep, he tracked one. So I have not had the ability to track one yet, but if you subscribe to the page, I guarantee you will see me track one eventually. So your boy is about to be out. Until next time, until next video, peace. Oh, washed out. Uh-oh, let me correct it. There we go. All right, until next. I know, right? Until next time, peace.